In this video, I'm going to explain how Shopify Print on Demand works and show you how to get started with it. I'll also share some links and discounts for the tools you need to create a print on demand business and give you some top tips on how to make it a successful one. Let's kick things off with a quick look at what print on demand is. Print on demand, typically known as POD, is a business model where a product is only made or printed after a customer has placed an order. This way of selling eliminates the need for manufacturing or storing your own inventory and reduces the risk of losing money from unsold goods. It's a great model for businesses that want to offer a wide range of products without the upfront cost of manufacturing anything. With POD, you upload a design to a print-on-demand service and then use it to create custom products. The POD service then handles the rest, taking care of all product manufacturing, packaging, and shipping. The products you can sell online can include anything from t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs to posters, phone cases, and wall art. But how does print-on-demand with Shopify work? Well, Shopify doesn't actually come with built-in print-on-demand functionality. To sell POD items, you need to install a POD app on your store. There are quite a few of these available, with popular ones including Printful, Printify, Guten, Spod, and Custom Cat. Some of these are free and some involve monthly fees. Of these apps, Printful and Printify tend to be the most commonly used. If you'd like to learn more about these, you'll find a link to an in-depth comparison of them in the video description, or click the link at the top right corner of the screen to watch it now. Next, I'm going to show you how the process of setting up a POD app on a Shopify store works. This involves a fairly similar process no matter which app you choose, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll use Printful as an example. Step 1. Create your Shopify and Printful accounts. The first thing to do is to set up a Shopify account. You'll find a link to a special free trial and discounted version of the platform in the video description. Then, you'll need to set up a free Printful account. You'll also find a link to this in the video description. Step 2. Install the Printful app in Shopify. In your Shopify admin panel, go to the App section. Click on the link to the Shopify App Store, search for Printful, and install the app. Step 3. Connect your accounts. After installation, open the Printful app from your Shopify admin panel. You'll then be asked to connect your Printful account to Shopify. Follow the instructions provided to complete the connection. Step 4. Design your products. Now you can start uploading your designs in the Printful app. You can choose which products to print your designs on and the retail prices for them. Step 5. Sync your products. After creating your products in Printful, you need to sync them with your Shopify account. They will then appear on your Shopify store, ready to be purchased by your store visitors. Step 6. Set up shipping. Printful offers various shipping options. You can set up your preferences in the Printful dashboard, and these settings will be applied to the POD products in your Shopify store. Okay, so now you've set up a print-on-demand Shopify store. Next, I'm going to share some of our top tips for making it a successful one. But just before I do, I'd like to invite you to like this video, hit subscribe, and click the notifications bell. This helps us out and lets you access all our Shopify resources more easily. Right, here are our top tips on getting a successful POD business off the ground. 1. Choose the right products. Not all print-on-demand products are created equal. It's essential to choose products that align with your brand and resonate with your target audience. Research your market, see what's trending, and consider your customers' needs and preferences when selecting your product offerings. 2. Create high-quality designs. Your designs are ultimately what will set you apart from the competition. Invest time in creating designs that are unique, attractive, and high quality. If you're not a designer yourself, consider hiring a professional graphic designer to work on them. 3. Make sure print quality is high. Choose a good print-on-demand service that maintains a high-quality printing process and great material standards. Your brand reputation will be tied to the quality of your products. 4. Consider the ethical dimension. The world of print-on-demand doesn't always treat its workers or the planet well. Before deciding upon a print-on-demand supplier, consider doing some ethical due diligence to ensure that the products they offer are manufactured in a way that shows respect for the company's workforce and the environment. An ethical, environmentally friendly approach to doing business can also be a selling point for your store. 5. Understand your costs and profit margins. In a print-on-demand business, it's vital to fully understand your costs and pricing structure. Otherwise, you won't maximize profits or even make one at all. Factor in all costs, including the cost of goods, printing, shipping fees, taxes, and any additional fees when setting your retail prices. 6. Always order sample products before selling them. Always order samples of a product before you start selling it. This will allow you to check the product's print quality, material quality, and overall look and feel. It's also important to test the whole end-to-end sales process. Once you've set up your Shopify store and linked it with a print-on-demand service, run some test orders for your products through your store and check that you are 100% happy with the store's look and feel, its checkout process, the condition your products arrive in, and the fulfillment process in general. And that's it, our simple guide to setting up a Shopify print-on-demand business. In the video description, you'll find links to some additional resources about print-on-demand which may help you on your e-commerce journey. Please do subscribe to our channel for all our latest e-commerce resources. And if you have any questions about Shopify print-on-demand, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.